Hello and welcome back. I ended up getting the Lightburn camera for Christmas, and so I installed it sort of, but what I want to do is I ended up going to thingiverse and printed out this little holder for it, and so I'm going to mount that up on here. So instead of using the tape, which is not, which already started moving, I'm gonna put this file together. So just came back from the hardware store. Needed, ended up using the M5.8 bolts and M5.8 by 25 bolts on there, and then screws. And so let's put this thing together. So I have to take off the tape for this thing. Actually, I ended up having to angle it, and what I'm also going to do is I have the cap for this so I don't end up screwing up the lens or getting it all goobered. Put that back on it. So I used a couple of things to angle it. Put those over in my junk drawer. I got the tape off it, and then I don't know what the hell I printed here, but there's this, and I thought I was just gonna attach it right onto there, and it was just gonna slide in there and be nice and perfect. But guess what? It is not. It is less than perfect. Look at this. So I thought this was just gonna fit in there, and it is not. So alright, back to the printing drawing board. And I like this size though. I mean, this will fit. I'm planning to put it under here like that, and so I think this would be a good spot, or maybe even mounting it in here like that. But the problem is that there's nothing to I think it might even be a good spot too, right there. Anyways, it's not the right size, but I like these brackets. I like the way the brackets are. So what I'm gonna have to do is, I think I'm gonna keep the rest of it and then just make an enlargement in Fusion 360 is gonna be the plan. I think that will be. I'll just redesign this in Fusion 360. I'll use it because I like the design mostly, but that is definitely wrong size. So, all right, there goes that. So I printed out my new piece, and there it is. I ended up having to kind of melt part of the sides there to get the board to kind of fit. But what I'm going to do is I have some screws right there that I found, and I have that to put it in. And I'm going to put one screw at that end and then another screw at the other end. So I'm going to drill some holes in there and then put those in. And I got these screws out of this drawer that I've been this bin of just random things that I've been collecting. So drill holes went all the way through. I don't really care about that. I just care about getting it mounted. Now it is mounted and ready to go to the next step. That next step is going to be mounting it right up here so that it points down like that. I think what I might do. So I think I'm gonna use some hot glue, and I think I'm gonna stick that right up. Stick the hot glue right up here. Stick that to that, and then mount that in. I have to put the nuts in there, and then the nuts in the little handles. These are my extra parts. This is the cover that kind of got goofy, but I don't care about that. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hot glue and start mounting this. Actually, before I do that, I think I'll put the brackets together. Take this out. And this. I don't think I need that anymore. I'll take these and start putting them in. Okay, so we have that. We put our pieces here together. Let's see. Then what we'll do is take this. So, yeah, the sizes on this STL file are just ridiculous, because this thing is like locking up here, which I guess could be a good thing, but at the same time, not. So let me get a screwdriver. Since this thing is so damn ridiculous, I can't even turn the spacing here. So this actually needs either a little bit more spacing, or this needs to be not so tight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrap the knobs. Happy about that. Not really. And I'm just going to take a bolt and I'm just going to screw this thing in. So I just have a nut that fits in the slot there. And I guess now it doesn't need to be so long, but and don't over tighten, because you'll end up cracking it. Don't under tighten it, because guess what? It won't work. Finally, and then we're gonna glue it right freaking there. Right like that. Let's get the hot glue going and we'll see what's what. Here we go, we're gonna try and glue bit there. I don't know what happened to the video, but anyways, this ended up getting stuck. Used hot glue, got it up there, and tomorrow we'll be doing the calibration on it. Alright, that's it for now. Smash the like and subscribe.